Hi friends, this is Srivastal again. Today we are doing electrolysis experiment. Electrolysis is a chemical reaction. In this electrolysis process, the electrolyte will split into atoms. In our experiment, the electrolyte is made of water and salt. In this experiment, we need salt, glass of water, steel spoons, battery, 9 volts battery, and glasses and gloves for safety. Now I will add salt in the water and mix it well. Because the salt increases the conductivity of the water. Now our electrolyte is ready. In this electrolysis process, the salt will separate into sodium and chlorine. The chlorine oxide is not safe for health. That is why I am wearing glasses and gloves. The steel spoons will act as anode and cathode. Now I will dip steel spoons in our electrolyte. Now I will put batteries on the spoon. Then the chemical reaction will start. See, the electrolyte color has changed after